warm greeting to you all in this beautiful morning. It's a new day, so let's start our work with fresh and best mind. So we all know that we are going through a pandemic situation, and each and every one of us, we are trying to fight against this COVID-19. Okay, so today I would like to start this session by this sentence: it is better to wear a face mask than ventilator. Okay, so you all know that what is COVID. So COVID is a new disease that is caused by a new strain of coronavirus. Is it important to use a face mask? Of course, it is important, because this COVID is transmitted through respiratory droplets also. So today we are going to see what is face mask, why we should use face mask, and how to wear and how to remove our face mask, right? So what is face mask? So it's just a tool, or it's a material which is utilized for prevent the disease, and it's preventing the spread of disease from one person to another person. And we have a different kind of face mask also. So what is a face mask used for? For example, if a person talks or coughs or sneezes, they may release their tiny droplets into others. Through this, other people, they can get infection also. So to prevent this kind of infection, we are using the face mask. So there are certain methods of face mask, that is face mask with ear loops, face mask with tie, face mask with band. So we all know that. Okay, now we will see how to put a face mask, that is how to wear a face mask. So just I am going to do demo. Okay, so before wearing a face mask, clean your hands with soap and water solution, or if a sanitizer available, you can scrub your hand with the sanitizer. Second, you will remove a mask from your box or plastic bag. Obviously, you will check is there any hole or any tear in the mask. Okay. Third, you should know which side should be come front and which part of the mask should be upside. Okay. So now you can see a stiff bended material here. So this stiff blended side should become upside. Fine. And which at the same time you should know which side should become front. Okay. So we have two sides on the face mask. One is color one, might be blue or green, and the other side which is in white in color. So the colored one, blue or green, okay, it should be come front, that is this colored part, it should be away from your face. Okay, and the white surface, it should touch your face. Then you will not touch inside or front side, outside. Okay. Okay, now this is the method to hold your face mask. You will hold either side of the ear loops, and you will bring nearby your face, and you will wear the face mask around your ears. Okay, so after wearing your ear loops, you will mold or you will make stiff on your nose. Fine. Okay, like this, and you will gently pull your mask down. This is the method to wear a face mask. Okay. Once again I will explain to you. Clean your hands with soap solution, with water, or if it is available you can use the hand sanitizer also. Second, you will remove your mask from your box or plastic bag, whatever it is available. Okay, and obviously you will check for hole or tears either side of the mask. Next, determine which side of the mask is in the top. The side of the mask that has stiff blended edge is the top and is meant to mold the shape of your nose. And determine which side of the mask is front. The colored side of the mask is usually the front and should face away from you, okay, while the white side touches your face. And then you will hold the mask by the ear loops, place a loop around each ear. Once you wear a mask, just make a stiffness on your edge of the nose and gently pull your mask downside. Now the mask is fixed on your face. This is the way to wear your face mask. Then how to remove your face mask. Now we will see also. You will wash or you will rub your hands if the sanitizer available. Then you should not touch front or back side of the mask, because once you started to use your mask already it's contaminated. Yeah, so you will not touch front or back side of the mask, and just you will gently lift and remove the face mask. You will throw it in a trash bin in a proper manner. You should not throw the mask here and there. It should be discarded into the dustbin. That is about removing a face mask. And now who should use the face mask? Okay, as per the CDC recommendation, all the people 2 years of age older wear a mask in public settings. Okay, and there are some exemption for some kind of person, that is children younger than 2 years of age. They no need to wear a mask. Okay, and next, those who are suffering with some kind of problem like breathing difficulty, then those who are unconscious, and those who are incapacitated, that is who are helpless to remove their mask without help. Fine. So these two kinds of people, they no need to wear a mask. Okay, so this is about the mask, face mask. And as I want to tell few information about as a take home messages. Fine. So how to put on, use, take off and dispose of a mask. First thing, before putting on a mask, you will clean your hand with soap and water or hand sanitizer if it is available. Second, you should cover your nose as well as mouth. Okay, and there should not be any gaps. And third thing, you should not touch your mask once you started to use, because it will be contaminated and you can get infection through the mask. So you should not touch your mask once you started to wear. And the fourth point, remove the mask from behind. Okay, just you will pull a ear loop or tie and you will remove. You should not touch front side of the mask. And the final step, replace a mask with a new one. You should not use the same mask. Okay, so you should use a new mask once you discard the old mask, and the disposable should be in a good proper manner, that is in the dustbin. That is your take home messages. Okay, as I said before, it's better to wear a mask than a ventilator, and better to stay at home than in ICU. Fine. Thank you so much for your timing. Thank you.